Let's make yakisoba style ramen. The Japanese style street food. First step, slice the ribeye. Get our ramen in. Now let's get the ribeye searing. Season it up. Slice it into very thin strips. Now we run it under cold water. Onions. Some shiitakes. Carrots and cabbage. We're going to use ketchup, soy, Worcestershire, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. That's what Italian before. Got a ramen in, some of our special sauce. Top it off with some bok choy. Nice. That's rich people shit. This be looking hella delicious. Cheers, fellas. Tastes like perfection.